If you've integrated Jamf Pro with a single sign-on or SSO provider, you may encounter times when that service is interrupted and you are unable to log in to Jamf Pro. To regain access to Jamf Pro, we can use the failover URL and log in with a local Jamf Pro account. If you integrated with single sign-on prior to Jamf Pro 10.45 and have not generated a new failover URL, you can access the failover URL by appending $failover to the end of your URL. For example, if my URL is jamf.jamfcloud.com, my failover URL is jamf.jamfcloud.com/?failover. From this page, we can log in with a local Jamf Pro account. If you set up single sign-on in Jamf Pro version 10.45 or later, the failover URL is randomized. It's recommended to store this URL in a secure place at the time of setup, but if you didn't, don't worry. We can retrieve the URL using the Jamf Pro API. Append /API/doc to the end of your Jamf Pro URL. Authenticate with a local Jamf Pro administrator account to obtain an API token. Scroll down to the SSO-failover endpoint, expand it, and select Get. Click Try it out, and then click Execute. The failover URL is contained in the response body below. We can then navigate to this URL and log into Jamf Pro with a local Jamf Pro administrator account. After logging in, you can safely navigate to Settings, Single Sign-On to change or disable your SSO integration until the issues are resolved. Thanks for watching.